First, make sure it works well manually after wiring. On off it works. Then use this knob to adjust the LED at a no brightness. Don't make it too bright, otherwise you cannot see the red indicator. Then hold the Wi-Fi button for a few seconds. Then you will see a pink indicator is flashing. Then you open your phone and turn on Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. Then open the SmartLife app. It will discover the devices around here, then add it. Select the right SSID and input the password, then click Next. It will link the devices automatically, and then after that you can rename the device and control it here. Now you see it's done. If you have any tech queries, please visit our support page.